In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect any payment provider to your Wix website. To get started, open your Wix site and go to the main dashboard. This is the central area where you manage your website settings, business tools, and store features. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Settings. This section is where Wix keeps the core options that control how your website works, so it's the right place to begin when you want to set up payments. After you open Settings, find and click on Accept Payments. This is the area where Wix lets you manage the payment methods available for your website. It's also where you can connect providers so your customers can pay you directly through your site. If you're running an online store, offering services, or collecting any type of online payment, this section is essential. Once you're inside the payment settings, you'll see the payment methods that are available in your region. This part is important because Wix shows different payment providers depending on the country or location connected to your account. So if you don't see a specific provider you expected, it may simply be because that option is not currently supported in your region. From here, choose the payment provider you want to use and click Connect. This will start the setup process. Wix will then guide you through the necessary steps to link that payment method to your site. In most cases, you'll need to enter the required business and account details, then follow the prompts to complete the connection. Make sure the information you enter is accurate, since payment providers often use it to verify your account and activate payments properly. As you go through the setup, take your time and read each screen carefully. Some providers may ask for extra details depending on the type of business you run or the country you're operating in. Once everything is completed, your payment method should be connected and ready to use on your website. That's all it takes. Head to your main dashboard, open Settings, click Accept Payments, review the options available in your region, and connect the provider you want by completing the required details. After that, your Wix website will be one step closer to accepting payments smoothly and professionally.